Guys, we're gonna do some rainbow Rice Krispie treats using the Peeps just in time for Easter. Let's go. All right, let's get this all melted. All right, marshmallows are melted, or Peeps, I guess you'd say. 2 cups of Rice Krispie treats, and just get them all coated. All right, get our Rice Krispies in there. Had to switch the spatulas. Sprayed this spatula down a little bit too, so it don't quite stick like it was. All right, next color up. Again, get them melted. The yellow's all melted up. Rice Krispies in, get them coated. Admittedly, the yellow kind of blends in with the Rice Krispie color, but yeah, whatever. It is what it is. And we're just smoothing it on out. Make that next layer. All right, last batch. Got the purple going. Purple's all melted up. Rice Krispies in. Get them all mixed up and combined. Team, I gotta be honest with you, the purple did not hold its color pretty much at all. But hey, it is what it is. Guess you could throw a little food coloring in there if you want to. Either way, we're covering this up with a little bit of frosting, so I'm not terribly worried about it. It's just not kind of what I had in mind, but you can tell there are 3 different colors in there, so good enough. Maybe if you can find like a pink or a red Peep, go for it. Maybe add a little food coloring. All right, we're gonna let this cool down just a little bit. All right, team, you can see the layers in there. The top's cooled off. We got some cream cheese frosting going over the top. I thought about using a little chocolate, but I kind of want this to stay kind of pastel-y, if you get my meaning, for Easter. So we're using this cream cheese frosting over the top, but if you got any other frosting, go for it. Got some little sugar sprinkles here, little pastel blue. We're just gonna go over the top with just a little bit. Obviously, we got plenty of sugar going in this. All right, team, we're gonna go into the fridge, a half hour, 45 minutes so, just so it's completely cool and ready to cut into. I'll see you in a sec. All right, let's pry one of these bad boys out. All right, there you go. Rainbow Rice Krispies. Made with Peeps. Guys, now I would make these for Easter, but if you have a bunch of Peeps left over from Easter, make this too. Whatever you gotta do, make it, all right? Because baby, you know it's good.